Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the channel again. I appreciate all of you that turn up. If you do me a favor before we get started though, if you could subscribe to the channel, that would really help me. I'd really appreciate that. Like as well, comment, share the video as well for anyone this might be useful to. Now let's get on with the video. Now I've been meaning to make this video for a couple of weeks now, but I've been away on tour. I'm a musician, you see my piano there, that's what I've been doing, so that's why I've not gotten around to it just yet. I'd like to be a bit more active personally, but here we go anyway. Right, so I'm gonna give you a little tour now of the room that I live in. I live in one of the larger apartments, as you'll see. It's got not the best view in the building, but I'm very thankful for it because as you can see, even though there is another building there, it does block out light and I need to be able to sleep, especially in the mornings if I've missed out a little bit. So, you know, not so bad, but I'll give you a little tour now. So I will not show you the hallway because that is absolutely full, but I do get my own hallway. So yeah, we do have a very nice bathroom here. It's very modern, very clean. It was very well maintained when I moved in actually as well. Great shower pressure. I should probably give that a little clean, to be honest with you. But yeah, his general vibe for the bathroom, and then that's me. So I can just stare at myself. I'm joking. And then yeah, nice storage space there as well. I've still got the sanitary sign on there. So yeah, it's a very, very nice bathroom to have. I'm very appreciative of that. And then just to give you a tour of the actual room, as you can see, it is absolutely massive. What I love about this room is, you know, even though there's a building on the other side, it's still quite bright, and I am a musician and I find loads of space to sort of put my things up, you know, and have a little practice, which is nice as well. But just showing you around, we've got like, I guess it's kind of like a nightstand type thing, you know, with some storage underneath as well that you can see there. And this bed as well, I'm going to show you something. I have to put my microphone down for this. It is absolutely huge underneath and full of stuff. Don't judge me, I know I'm absolutely chaos right now with stuff under there. So yeah, it's a great bed with lots of storage, and we get a desk space as well with more storage above there. I like to do a little bit of work here as well, but I have this little red light lamp here which I use daily as well, and a chair which is included, which is really nice. The wardrobe space is absolutely massive as well. I don't feel claustrophobic in here, to be honest. I feel very comforted. You know, there's a lot of space, as you can see. We do have two different types of rooms in this apartment. I've got the bigger one, but next door, which is essentially through this wall, is a little bit smaller, but still very spacious. You know, what you get is very reasonable for the price. So there you go. Right, and then crawling my way out of the room, you can see we have a communal space here, which is really nice. Some apartments have sofas instead of, you know, these dining tables. I quite like, you know, a dining table because, you know, me and my housemates, we can sit and watch movies and stuff. But it's a very well equipped, very modern, tidy, spacious, especially with the island, apartment here. I absolutely love it. Big fridge space in there with a, I'll show you a little bit inside actually, with a freezer underneath as well. We're absolutely packed, probably need to give that a little tidy, and some storage space down the side as well. The views, again, you know, although slightly compromised, I appreciate that sometimes, you know. But nice little view outside of, you know, some sort of skyline there, which is still nice. Electric cooker, oven, microwave, you know, toaster, kettle. This is all included, so this is you know, very useful for us actually. And as you can see, you've probably gotten this vibe already, but there is tons of storage in here, more than enough for 4 people in a quad apartment like this. I do love this island. It's a very nice space to have when you want to be social. We've got some chairs here as well, which is really great, and some more storage just over here as well, where we keep, you know, hoovers and mops and things like that. Just to get one final look at the apartment, you've got 2 there, big space, 2 there as well, mine being open, don't look at the trash in the corner, and then that's the hallway. I just want to tell you about the location of this apartment. So this place is called Union Co-Living. There's 2 towers in the centre of Manchester. If you know the big ring road that goes around the centre, that's where we are located, within that, just about. So what I love about this place is it's close to Deansgate, which is like absolute chaos, especially in the evenings. Even on a Tuesday, it goes absolutely nuts. It feels like a Saturday, to be honest. But what I like about the location is that it's actually very quiet. I mean, if you listen to it, you can't hear too much traffic or people, which is really nice. Even though Manchester is very much hectic all of the time anyway, so I love the location. It's also located close to Spinningfields, which is a very chilled area of Manchester. I like to take little walks there. It's very calm, some nice sort of like plants set up there, nice coffee shops. That's definitely a very luxurious, calm area of Manchester, which I do like to take walks on when I need to clear my head. You also find that there's loads of really nice bars and restaurants located right next to the apartment. If you need to get into anything at all, nice coffee shops, bars, restaurants, nightlife, anything like that, supermarkets, you've got everything located nearby. It's very easy to access anything that you need to access. Now I just want to talk about the facilities and the quality of the building. The building feels like, in the best way possible, like a 5-star hotel. Everything's very well maintained. The quality of the furniture is fantastic. The bed that I sleep is absolutely incredible as well. The kitchen, everything that you can think of is really well maintained. It has a very modern feel to it, and all the facilities outside of your apartment as well feels very nice. The front of house staff are absolutely lovely. I feel like I'm being welcomed into a 5-star hotel when I come here. Everybody's so friendly, and it's just a great place to live if you want to live in like more of a luxurious lifestyle, and I just love everything about it, to be honest. Now moving on to the bar area, there's a really nice bar in this building where you can get drinks for a very fair price. They have very nice events at this place as well. They have a nice quiz night, which I believe is on Tuesday. It could be on a Thursday, don't quote me on that. But it's a very nice place to hang out as well. And they have a nice pool table, which is really cool as well. That's actually also attached to a really nice co-working space, so everybody takes their laptops there during the day. You can go in a booth as well if you want a bit of privacy, or if you want to be a bit more sociable. You can actually hang out in that area as well, and there's very nice views of the city from there as well, so I absolutely love that. So once you've gotten off work, you can go and crack a beer open and hang out with your mates. Now I just want to talk about the U Plus membership, because that brings me to my next point. So the U Plus membership gives you access to the gym. It gives you free laundry credits every month, and it gives you access to events as well as the co-working space. That's for about £90 a month as it stands at the moment. It's very fair. I feel like the gym is absolutely luxurious. It's actually better than most gyms I've been to, and I've been to a lot of gyms. You really get what you pay for there. The laundry facilities are great as well. If you time it right, you can get a washing machine and dryer, no problem. And the events that they do a few every month. Great way to meet people socially. I love doing that because you get to meet lots of people and make new friends, and it makes you feel less lonely in the city, which is absolutely fantastic. Moving on to other facilities, they have a mail room where you can do your recycling, collect your letters and collect your parcels as well, and then you get an email with a QR code so you can scan out your parcels. So it's a really nice way to keep track of the parcels, and then they tend to not lose things because of that, so I think it's a really nice addition. They also have a bike lockup, and I find this really useful if you're a cyclist. I cycle myself, but I haven't had much time recently because I'm having to drive everywhere for work. But for those of you who cycle, this bike lockup is an absolute saviour. Now I just want to talk a little about the cost. So you have different apartments in this building. You have studio apartments in different varying sizes. You have quad apartments, which is what I'm in. And you have trios as well. There might be duo, but don't quote me on that because I've not looked into it. But all the others are absolutely fantastic. So I chose to live in a quad because the price was very fair. You have 2 types of apartment in the quad. You have a large apartment, which I'm in, or the large room, and then you have the slightly smaller rooms, which are sort of just in there. I'll go into that in the clip soon. It's absolutely perfect for size. I can't complain, and that cost me £1,005 a month as it stands right now. That could go up, could go down. It just depends on how busy they are, but I feel it's a very fair price. If you were in the centre of London, you definitely would not get anything near as nice as this. for this price. In fact, you'd be lucky to get a 1-bed apartment for that price anywhere near the centre. So the quality is absolutely fantastic, and of course the city's amazing, so why wouldn't you want to live here for that price? Now, just to touch back on the U Plus membership, that's about £90 a month, so if you stack that on top, you could be paying around £1,100 a month. And for me, that's absolutely perfect to have everything included in your building, all the co-working spaces, the laundry, the gym, the events, and then the amazing apartment included as well. I think it's completely fair. You just wouldn't get that anywhere else, you know, for this quality and for the price that it is. I think it's completely fair. The location is absolutely impeccable. So there you go. Right, well, that's it. So thank you so much for joining me on this short, brief tour. I appreciate it. I hope it's been informative. If you've got any questions, please ask down below. And again, please, if you could subscribe to the channel, it'll be super helpful. And I will see you guys in the next one.